Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, what you want to do is head over to your search bar on your PC or laptop, type in mouse settings. If I can spell mouse settings, then you want to click into mouse settings, and then where it says related settings, click on to additional mouse settings, and across here you got a few different options, tabs. You want to click on the pointer options and then uncheck enhance pointer precision, like so. Then click on apply, then click on OK. And now from here, click out of that, head over to Google, type in DPI analyzer. Then you want to go to the first result here. You can do the second one, but I've found the second result is a lot of ads and pop-ups as well. But yeah, go to the first one from same aim, different game. So it's loading up, and then scroll down. And from here, you got a ruler here. So you can change your units to centimeters, inches. If you know your configured DPI, put it in there. Add in the target distance. I want to do, say, 10 centimeters. And now to check your DPI, simply click and hold this target thing and move it across 10 centimeters, like so. That's 10 centimeters. And then, as you can see here, the actual DPI of this mouse I'm using is 253. So yeah, have a play around with this, guys, and that's how to check your mouse DPI settings in Windows. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.